Creating Innovation Use of Technology, an individual project created by Iris Robinson. The innovation technology that I decided to do was to create a class website using the Zuna, WebQuest, and the Camtasia Studio 2 software. The lesson that the students will have to complete is on the state of Louisiana. The WebQuest has information and activities for the students to do. It has video and fun facts that the students would need to know to be able to take the quiz at the end of the lessons. The skills that the teacher should have are computer literacy skills that will allow them to be able to design, troubleshoot, and navigate the WebQuest. The teacher should also be able to design a lesson online, and they should have knowledge of a WebQuest so that they will be able to provide the students with guidance and assistance when needed. The skills that the teacher should be able to have also is to create a lesson using the Zuna WebQuest and also be able to embed pictures and video in the lesson. The skills that the students need is to be able to navigate a computer. The students need to know how to research on the internet and also how to take notes of the information that they have read on the internet. This lesson was created for 6th through 8th grade. The project has the students to complete is to create a travel brochure on Louisiana. This can be an individual or a group project depending on the teacher. The students will have to create a video telling about their research project. The students will have to write a 6-page research paper. The students will also have to create a PowerPoint presentation. The WebQuest that I created is called Where in the United States is Louisiana? It talks about Louisiana. This is a picture of Louisiana showing the capital and other cities. And this WebQuest is designed to help the students learn about the state of Louisiana and where it's located at. Like I said before, it is for 6th to 8th grade. The curriculum is on a social studies base, and it has keywords that the students will know once they complete this WebQuest, such as parishes, New Orleans, Mardi Gras, the state bird, state flower, and also about the Louisiana Purchase. Okay, the introduction. The introduction, it tells a little bit about the state of Louisiana that the students will find when they do their research. They'll find this saying that the French found New Orleans in 1718. It talks about Mardi Gras. It gives them a little introduction of Louisiana. We also have a file down here that the kids can click on called the Louisiana Purchase, and it's going to take us to a video, a little 2-minute video on the Louisiana Purchase. So we're going to go back to our WebQuest because we're not going to watch it. Then we're going to go to the next one is the task. And the task, it tells the student exactly what they're going to do. And it tells that the students will make a travel brochure as if they're planning to visit Louisiana. And in that I want them to include a short summary of the main ideas, such as the location, the capital, fun facts, and they can put pictures in their brochure. I just want the kids to have fun visiting the great state of Louisiana by the internet. The students will also have to prepare a 3-minute presentation that they're going to present to the class. And the students will also take a short quiz on Louisiana. So let's go to the next tab, which I'll process. And the process just tells the students what I need them to do. The student's going to create a brochure of their future trip to Louisiana. They're going to prepare the 3-minute presentation, as I said before, and present it to the class. Then each student will take a quiz. The first step they're going to do is read all information on Louisiana, watch the YouTube videos that is linked to the different pages. They're going to read the rubric and see what is required of them. They're going to make the brochure. Then they're going to take the lesson on the quiz on Louisiana, which this is the first lesson. We have designed 2 lessons. This is the evaluation process. It's showing them what they would get for each one of them if they do it right. The high score for each one is 25 points. So the conclusion is, now that they have traveled Louisiana through the internet, they're going to make the travel brochure, take it home, and probably persuade their family to visit the beautiful state of Louisiana. In this web quiz, it also has a teacher's page in which the teacher can put, I put my standards of what I'm expecting the students to do. And it says that this web quiz is designed to help the students learn about another state, which in the United States. And this is a great opportunity for the students to interpret information that they have learned on the internet. And this activity is a homework project. And it tells the students how long they're given 2 weeks to complete this project. So let's go. Here's our quiz that the students will be able to take, and it will be graded. So like it tells us, the first one, what is the state of Louisiana? What is Louisiana state bird? So I'm from Louisiana, so I know. Okay. So it would be the pelican. Okay. Now, we all know about Mardi Gras. The students will learn about Mardi Gras in this web quiz. And it said Louisiana had the tallest state capitol building is where it's located, in Baton Rouge. Okay. Now, this one, number 4, is kind of picky. They're going to have to really do their research to be able to answer this question. And the question is, what city in Louisiana is named after Indian Creek? And what is the name of the creek? Okay. This one is C is the answer, which is Bogalusa. That is where I'm from. Okay. So I threw that question in there to make sure that the students was being able to research the information correctly, because I did give them some fun facts, but I didn't give them all of them. So, but let's go back to the processes, and here is, right here, this tells us about a little about Louisiana. Here's some of the fun facts on Louisiana if it comes up. Okay. Yes, this tells us, sorry about that. Okay. Tells us the different things about the state of Louisiana that the kids will be able to go by. Then we have something about Mardi Gras. Then we have another video on the Louisiana Purchase that the students will be able to use when they get ready to take their quiz. Now, in the web quiz, it also gives you the page where you can list where you found your information at. The students can also use these credits and get the information that they need to help them with their quizzes and with writing their paper, which is going to be lesson number 2. So, lesson number 2, it tells us that in this lesson, the students will write a research paper on the Louisiana Purchase. The research paper will be 6 pages, APA style, with at least 6 references. And after the students have written the paper, the students will also do a PowerPoint presentation on the Louisiana Purchase. Then the students also, as they're doing their research, they will have to produce a 45-minute video using the Camtasia software to discuss their research project on the Louisiana Purchase. Now, this process will be a think aloud experience for the students. The students will go in and describe what they're doing, click on the different internet tabs that they have found the information on the Louisiana Purchase, and it's just explaining their research process as they go. Now, this can be broken up into different time segments. The students do not have to do all 45 minutes at one time. Once the students has finished their 45-minute session, then they will have to upload the YouTube video using the Camtasia software. And one of the reasons why I chose the Camtasia software is because it allows you in the software, once you have completed your video, to go ahead on and to upload it into YouTube. Once that process has been done, the students will post their YouTube link onto the Zuna Web Quest. And I have pages for them to upload their video. They're going to post their video on this page. It has been just designed for that. And also I have a page for them to upload their PowerPoint presentation on this page. Okay, so this is the website for the web quest that's been made in. Now, the advantage of using the Zuna web quest was that it enables the students to learn at their own pace. Students have control of their lessons. The web quest puts effective instructional practices into one integrated student activity by using the World Wide Web sites to help the students develop problem solving and decision-making skills. The Zuna Web Quest is a way that teacher uses the internet in education. The advantage of using the Camtasia software is that it was free, and that it lets the students create videos. And when the student uses the Camtasia, it allows the students to visually display their processes and ideas while creating and capturing features. The Camtasia also helps the students to develop their communication and collaboration skills. Okay, I hope that you have enjoyed this presentation on the state of Louisiana using the Zuna Web Quest and the Camtasia Studio 8 Innovation Technology.